Legs seem to have a mind of their own. Who hasn't been ready to slip off to dream world? When suddenly your legs begin to contract and cramp. Strangely, they don't seem to cramp during the day. These nocturnal cramps are common and can prevent a good night's sleep. They can also generate pain in the feet, calves and thighs. Cramps last anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Occasionally, they last for days. In today's video, we'll explore ways to prevent leg cramps. The three major causes of leg cramps are lack of exercise, dehydration, poor blood flow. Let's look at a few ways to prevent leg cramps. Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is an all-purpose mineral and works wonders in alleviating leg cramps. To add magnesium to your diet, eat plenty of dark leafy greens, bananas and dates. Other magnesium-rich foods include pumpkin seeds, yogurt, and dark chocolate. Another way to add magnesium is to use its oil form. Simply massage on your legs before turning in for the night. Make your own magnesium oil. Ingredients: 1/2 cup magnesium chloride flakes, 1/2 cup distilled water. Directions: pour water into a pan and bring to a boil, add magnesium flakes. Stir continuously until they are dissolved, remove from heat and cool. Pour mixture into a spray bottle. Apply 5 to 10 sprays to each leg 1 hour prior to bedtime. Get your daily dose of vitamin D. If you are eating healthy and drinking enough water and still have leg cramps, you may have a vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is what prompts the body to properly absorb calcium. Without enough vitamin D, the calcium isn't able to balance fluids in your body. One source of vitamin D is exposure to the sun. Another way is to eat seafood. Still one more way is to simply take a supplement. Stretching exercises. Performing a few slow and easy stretches can stimulate blood flow, which will then transport oxygen and vital nutrients throughout your muscles and body. Here's an easy stretch. Find a small ledge, incline, think vehicle gas pedal. Rest the ball of your foot on it and allow your heel to touch the floor. Slowly shift your weight forward, pressing the pedal. Hold this position for 2 seconds. Return to starting position and rest for 10 seconds. Repeat 6 to 8 times on each foot. This exercise should allow you to feel a good stretch. It can stretch calves, which is where most cramps originate. A note of caution: keep the incline low. Perhaps just stack one book on top of another. Otherwise, you will put too much pressure on your calves. Need instant relief from cramps? Try this simple exercise. First, extend your cramped legs straight out in front of you and flex. Your ankles point toes up. Toward your knee, grab your toes for a good stretch. Stand up straight and take a few slow steps to increase blood flow. Massage your calves with your fingers, in a circular motion. Electrolyte imbalance. If you aren't drinking enough water, you may have an electrolyte imbalance. Here's an easy recipe to make your own effective electrolyte beverage. Ingredients: 1 quart of water, 6 tablespoons sugar or 1/4 cup organic honey, 1/4 to 1/2 tablespoon unionized sea salt, juice from 1 lemon, 2 limes. Add a few cubes of ice and enjoy this drink daily. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.